This video is going to be in response to Mark Cuban's great call. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, November 12th, 2014, and the market's in the day mixed. And first, let's get into this. The S&P and Dow down, but you have the NASDAQ and small caps up. Small caps doing the best at 0.55%. That means that's usually a good sign going into the next trading day, especially when you get the banks doing so well, up 1.12%. This is a far cry from what we saw in yesterday's market internals. And the VIX, which is the volatility index, this is the fear indicator, still ticking higher. So the fear is still increasing. Precious metals down, and you have crude oil down almost a full percent. I'm licking my chops for some crude oil activity. US dollar up 0.34%. Utilities, which is a defensive sector, down a whopping 2%. Huge. All right. Now, been doing a little chatting here with Mark Cuban when it comes to the guy, billionaire that owns the Mavericks and also on Shark Tank. Any Shark Tank watchers out there? I know I'm addicted to it. Anyway, down here, I got a text from him saying, I'm looking to buy. And when he said that, the markets just have been on a tear ever since, doing exceptionally well. Literally calling the bottom, Mark killing it on this call. And I told him yesterday, be looking now to sell. It looks like the markets are ripe for a drop. And let me share something with you. If you look at the lows, just the lows of this huge rally that we received, we have a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We just have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This is our first lower low, this red candlestick. First one we had in weeks. Now we go higher. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and now we have yet another. So within a week's time, we have two lower lows when we hadn't had one for several weeks prior. This in relationship with trajectory. So look at trajectory here with the highs, and it's very easy to see when I draw these red lines coming across. You can see the rolling over effect very easily here. It is due time for the markets to pull back. That's what I foresee happening. Each week we do a V newsletter, video-based stock picks V newsletter, and Zooms today did our best. This is on our bull list. These are fundamentally very strong companies. This one zoomed higher. Quite a bit, almost 6% today. This is PRXL right here. Went through earnings and all, but it's still meeting our fundamental work, and this thing is starting to rally again. This gap may fill. There's several points here to make if it continues higher. This is up 2.44%. WSM, which I've been holding, off of this bounce, boom, it's continuing higher on big volume. This one I'm in already. So as a disclosure, it's doing pretty well. Big news on Apple, guys. It's no one knows about it. There's a report that came out, some leaking taking place on Wall Street Journal, and also there was an article, Motley Fool, talking about some big things they're going to be coming out with that no one knows anything about, so it'd be interesting to see. But Apple did break a trend line, looking for more upside potential there. We also, on our stock picks, we do a bear list. These are fundamentally very weak. And the one that broke down today on our bear list here is C's, S-E-A-S, big breakdown, and FE also broke down. C's was down over 9%. This is down more than 2%. So, that is my business partner, Ken Shamrock, for you guys that know UFC stuff. I need to send that to voicemail. Anyway, take care, guys. We will talk to you later. Looking forward to meeting all you guys in Vegas for the training coming up. Take care.